Hi guys! Good morning! Today is spelling time.
Okay, you
Mami.
spell communicate.
Okay. Co... 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 Oh. I'm so confused with N. Communicate. 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 Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, number 2, polite.
Polite. Okay. Polite. Polite. Polite.
Ayusin mo yung ano mo.
At
Yung pagka-write mo, tinan mo oh. Tinan mo yung ano mo, yung team mo. Ang labo.
there's no ink, mommy. A little bit. Am I correct?
Yes. Oh. Number 3,
Number 3, what?
achievement.
Okay.
Check mo to.
Okay. Gonna check. Achieve.
Achievement.
Oh, achieve. Achievement.
Yes.
Achievement.
Very good.
How? Achievement.
Okay. Next,
Next.
independent.
What?
Independent.
Okay.
Independent.
Okay. In the oh no, that's B. It's just the same but backwards. Inverted. Independent. Okay. Why did I forget? Independent. Independent. Dependent.
Okay, correct.
Am I correct?
Yes. Next, education.
Education.
Yes.
Education.
Okay.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Louder. Am I
Yes.
correct?
Okay, next. Guidance.
Okay. Guidance. Guidance.
Okay.
Am I correct?
Okay. Yes.
Louder.
Next. Yes.
Okay.
Brave. Ay, no. Behave.
Okay. Behave.
Okay, correct.
Like this. Correct?
Yes.
Louder.
Yes, loud. Yes, correct. Next. Definite.
What?
Definite. Definitely.
Oh, okay.
Definite.
I get it.
Okay.
What's that?
Pressure cooker.
Oh. Capital. Capital. Parang definitely.
Yes.
Definite.
Yes, definitely. Or definite.
Wait.
Correct.
I'm loading. Wait, mommy. I'm loading. I'm loading, okay? I'm loading.
Okay.
My brain is loading. N.
Yes.
Definite.
Definite.
D. Definite.
Meron kang na-miss na letter.
O. Definite. I missed
Definite.
one. Huh?
Definite.
O, I.
Yes.
Definite. Definitely.
Definite lang, definite.
Okay, definite.
You have missing letter.
One.
Yes.
E.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Louder.
Yes, you're correct.
Okay.
Next.
What? You think?
Relevant. 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 Rele.
Oh, really?
Bant.
I thought you said
Relevant.
really.
No, relevant.
Relevant. Relevant.
Very good.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Louder.
Yes, you're correct. Next, resume.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I always read that word.
Really?
Yes. Resume. Okay, you can see my answer. Resume. Am I gonna spell resume?
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Louder.
Yes, you're correct. And the last one is intelligent.
Okay. In.
Intelligent.
Okay. In.
Dapat alam mo yun.
Because I'm intelligent.
I think so, maybe. Okay, go.
Inte.
Legend.
Inte.
Intelligent.
Inte.
Legend. Intelligent. Where's the scissor?
Intelligent. Gen.
Yes.
Gen.
Yes, correct.
Intelligent.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes, very good.
Louder.
Very good. Okay. Okay, say bye na.
Bye. See you next time.